Hello, my name is Tina Kent, and welcome to my comparison for curation sites. The first one that I'm going to be starting with is ThingLink. I'm going to be comparing ThingLink and PopBoards. So to start, for ThingLink, I'm actually really excited to get to be learning more about this because my district is purchasing a membership for our school, so we'll be able to utilize this soon. But ThingLink allows you to use photographs, and you can link things to the photographs. So you can see here as I scroll my mouse over all these images, there are numbers. So like for number 1, if you scroll your cursor over it, it has text that you can link with your photograph to give you additional information. Then you can also put videos, like here they linked a video that you can actually play and watch to go right along with your visual aid for presentation purposes. So it's super easy to navigate and utilize, and I think it's definitely something that teachers would very much enjoy utilizing in a school system. To show you guys a little bit more about the cost of ThingLink, it is actually free for a basic teacher combo if you get the basic teacher package. However, if you want to get the premium teacher package, that's going to be $35 for a year, and that covers one teacher. If you get a premium school district package, it's $500 for the year, and it covers multiple teacher subscriptions. And the main difference between the premium packages from the basic package is they include a classroom management piece, and has some 360 abilities that the basic package won't include. Now, to show you a little bit more, I wanted to come down and show you the 360 imaging and how that works very nicely with this program. So here you can see it's a picture of Wall Street in New York City, and it allows you to turn and rotate images like this to give people a full view of the area that you're studying. And then along with that, you can still link things just like how we did with the image before. So a lot of really fun capabilities that I think would definitely engage students and keep them inspired about what they're learning while they can take control of their own research. It is compatible with desktop, tablets, and smartphones, so you can utilize it. You can download an app to use on your smartphone. So definitely something that is simple to use and download as far as whatever works for you. I think it depends on if your district is willing to pay for you to utilize this site. If they are, I think it's very useful. But again, you do have to pay if you want the upgraded membership. The second site that I'm going to be talking about today is PopBoards. PopBoards, it reminded me actually a lot of Pinterest. It is a board that you can pin different videos, websites, images to one board to focus on whatever concept you want to curate about. So for PopBoards, it has a free basic membership, but it expires after 60 days. However, you can have a pro membership that is $10.99 a month, and they are getting ready to install an enterprise membership. And the enterprise membership, if you look down here, so the pro allows you to have multiple boards that you can maintain and keep going. But right here, it talks a little bit more about the PopBoards Enterprise, and that is something that allows you to collaborate, track team effectiveness, and right now it looks to be more business-driven. It looks like it is focusing more on the business side for this feature. So since they do not have it out yet, it's hard to tell exactly if this would be something that we would be able to utilize in a school setting, but it looks like you could track student work the same as you would in a business setting. So I'm interested to see when this comes out, what exactly that program would look like, although it does sound like it has great features. On PopBoards, they also have training, design services, and tech support that they call Wingman that can give you support as you go. So this would be helpful in some professional development and trying to get this integrated into your school system to be able to utilize those things. Along with using PopBoards, I wanted to be able to show you guys an example of a teacher utilizing this in their classroom, kind of briefly. They have some really cool videos of a teacher utilizing this in their classroom to teach waves. So just to kind of give you a glimpse of how you can pin back and forth, here is a video of this teacher utilizing it to teach waves. I'll show you just a little snippet of it.
So today we're going to talk about wind-driven waves and how these waves are actually generated. We've talked about the crest, we've talked about the trough, we looked at how it is going to form at a surface level. Okay. Next thing we want to look at is when we look at wind-driven waves, we want to talk about the anatomy and what these waves actually look like. You see this diagram here, and this represents the water column and the movement that's going on in that water column. And maybe we should look at this for a second. Let's look at how this actually moves, and then we'll get back to orbital motion. So if we go back to here, and we look at this guy right here.
All right, so that gives you a general idea of how in the classroom teachers would be able to connect this visual aid back and forth to content that they are trying to teach in the classroom. And you could really connect this to any subject matter that you were working on. So as a whole, I think I do like this program. My main concern is that it does cost money, and I think there are some free options that kind of offer the same features. So until they get this, maybe their Pro and their Enterprise up and running to kind of see what those will exactly look like, I don't know whether I would recommend the subscription for this. Although it is a very neat curation site to utilize. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.